Have you ever been on a website or an app and felt compelled to keep scrolling or clicking? That's the power of curiosity gap in user experience design. The curiosity gap in UX design refers to the use of incomplete informations or open-ended questions to create a sense of intrigue and motivate users to keep exploring a website or an app. It's the feeling of wanting to know more, the feeling of not being able to resist clicking on a link or exploring a new feature. By leaving out a crucial piece of information or by raising a question, designers create a sense of intrigue and motivate users to find out more. It's a powerful tool that can be used to increase engagement, improve user retention, and drive conversions. A well-designed curiosity gap can keep users on a website or app for a longer time, encouraging them to explore more and ultimately leading to a better user experience. So, next time you're on a website or an app and find yourself compelled to keep scrolling or clicking, remember, it's the curiosity gap at work. It's a subtle but powerful tool that can make a big difference in user experiences. Are you still curious? Don't worry. Subscribe to the channel to get this type of videos.